Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing a full detail on this Lexus ES330. But before we jump into things, take a second and subscribe to the channel and join the growing community of detail geeks. Turn the bell on, and yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay, so having a look at what shape this vehicle's in right now, it's not good, guys. It's really, really dirty. Honestly, probably one of the dirtiest vehicles I've had in for quite a while. We've got clear coat failure all over the front bumper, so we're gonna have to be super careful around those areas. Looking at the interior, door jambs are filthy. Pretty much every square inch of this vehicle is covered in some sort of dirt or grime or something gross. We've even got coffee stains up on the headliner. So we're gonna have to do a super thorough and deep cleaning of this Lexus to get it looking new again. All right, so as we start on the pre-wash rinse here, really what I'm trying to focus on is just to get as much of the dirt and the grime off the car as I can right now. And when we get to the front of the car here where we had that clear coat failure, I'm just being really careful with the pressure washer to not make it worse. These wheels started off pretty dirty, but even with the pressure washer we were able to get them pretty clean, so the cleaner doesn't have to do a whole lot of work here, which is great. The metal got too fatigued being bent so many times and broke. Guess I get to buy a new one. All right, so moving on to my favorite part of any detail, and that is getting to use my foam cannon. I love doing this, covering the vehicle with nice thick foam. And honestly, as people drive by or walk past, the looks that I get, they're looks of pure jealousy. And while the car is covered in foam, I always go around with a detail brush, just try to get any dirt and stuff that's stuck in the cracks or the crevices and get that out. That's the spot. Oh, there. All right, well, we're all done with the exterior now. Car is washed and dried. I've been at it for a little over 2 hours now, so I'm getting hungry. I think it's time for some lunch. Alright guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, please just take a second and hit the thumbs up button. Lets me know you guys are enjoying the content and it really helps the channel out. And as an added incentive, if you guys can get this video to 200 likes, I'll do like a full detailer's garage tour, show you guys my setup, all the tools I use, products, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, in the meantime, I'm gonna finish cooking these burgers, scarf them down, and I'll see you guys back in the garage when we're ready to start on the interior. Alright, so now that we're starting on the interior, the first step is to get the floor mats out and then get any loose items or garbage or whatever out of the car. Interesting items I found in this one. One flip-flop, not two, but one, and a Cliff Bar. It's always a surprise when you go digging under other people's seats and see what other, loose items have fallen under there. I have seen some pretty strange ones. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just going around all the door jambs with a nice damp microfiber towel, making sure we get all the dirt and the dust out of them, and really taking the time to wipe down all the weather stripping and get that nice and clean too. So it looks like there's, in this this door sill, there are a bunch of rocks that caught in the crack there. One quick way to get those out is just use a carpet upholstery brush. It just really gets in there, and a little stiffer brush, and stuff comes right out. Alright, so next up we vacuum, and with this vehicle in particular, because the inside of this is so dirty, there's dirt, dust, rocks everywhere. We really have to be, extremely thorough. Make sure that vacuum touches pretty much every square inch of the carpet in this car. So once we've got the carpets done, we're going to go around all the trim, vacuum up any of the dirt and dust that's on all the trim, and it really helps to use a detail brush here. Make sure we can get into all those cracks and get all of the dust out. So because some of the plastics in this car are really, really dirty, I'm using an all-purpose cleaner, a wired all-purpose cleaner, diluted 10-to-1, just spraying some on my microfiber here. And then going around the entire interior and wiping everything down and cleaning it at the same time. All right, so moving on to the carpets now. I'm spraying an all-purpose cleaner diluted 4-to-1 on all the kind of the heavily stained or dirty areas, and then scrubbing it with my my carpet brush, and then blotting it with a dry microfiber towel. This method usually, like, it works okay for light stains and stuff, but this vehicle, the carpets were quite filthy, and honestly I could have used an extractor for this job. So after doing this detail, I ordered a little Bissell Spot Clean Professional little carpet cleaner, and I also ordered a steamer as well. So I've been dying to get one for quite a while, and finally just pulled the trigger on those. So, and yeah, you should see those soon in one of my videos. All right, so now it's time to clean the leather, and so what I'm doing here is just spraying on my leather cleaner. And I picked up this nice horsehair brush. I think it's a Chemical Guys brush. I'll have the link in the description below, as well as all the other products I use. So what I'm doing is just agitating that cleaner with this brush, and it really does a great job. Really enhances the cleaning ability of the cleaner that I'm using. And then we just wipe that down. Once we've got the leather clean, then we can apply the conditioner to keep it feeling nice, soft, and supple. Okay, so now we're going to do one of the last steps on the interior, and that is to dress and UV protect all the interior trim. And the product I use for this is Aerospace 303. And I'm sure I've said it before in other videos, but I absolutely love this stuff. Super easy to apply. And really, it just gives it that nice little bit of shine, and it just looks so good. The stuff is really good at UV protection. So I have the link to this in the description, and I'm curious to know if you guys have any detailing products that you guys like absolutely love, either because they're good value for the money, or they're just really good products. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll maybe check some of those out. Okay, so moving back to the exterior, it's time to get the paint protected. And the product I'm gonna be using here is Meguiar's Mirror Glaze number 66. Quick detailer, this is an all-in-one cleaner wax. Does a great job cleaning the paint and leaves it nice and glossy at the same time. All right, so just a couple more things we got to do here before we can call this detail complete. We got to clean the exterior glass. We got to do one quick final vacuum. Make sure we pick up any of the loose, dirt, debris that would have kind of appeared as we were in and out of the vehicle so many times. And then we're going to apply our water-based tire shine. Really get this thing looking good. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, that's where I'm going to leave it. I'm the Detail Geek. See ya.